Name's Ivan Soto, field technician here for Lonestar. Born in Mexico, but I was raised here in Houston. Been in this field for about 22 years already. Came to Lonestar in 2018. Never worked on Hyundais till I got to Lonestar. It was something totally new to me. I started in the shop, worked my way up to driving that truck right there. This was my goal ever since I started in the field. I was hoping for a helicopter, but I don't think it's gonna happen. Here at Lonestar, there's always a different challenge every day. It's always a different issue with a different customer. And I like to put my brain to work and work on different stuff all the time. My day starts usually about 7 o'clock. Pick up some parts if I have to. If not, we go straight to the job site. Most of the time, we like to get the job done if we can that same day. Get in their units back up and running. Show customers what we're able to do. The most rewarding part of the job is customer satisfaction. That's our goal. All the road techs here, we help each other out. We don't like to leave nobody behind. If one can't figure it out, somebody else can. It's always good to have somebody you can call or give you a helping hand. I see this as a career for me. Good opportunities on growing, moving up. I enjoy it. I love it. It's something I look up to every morning. You see where this takes me.